Now let's solve this question. It says if p equals 54 over x, which is the power of 2, and x is decreased from 3 to 2.98, what is the approximate change in the value of p? Okay, so we want to know if it is increasing or decreasing. All right, now since here is a variable between p and x, so now, and according to the formula for small increase that pertains two variables, so here we have, this is the small increase in p. Now, this will be p, then all over the partial derivative of p with respect to x times the small increase in x. Now take note of this sign. This is a partial derivative and this is just a small change. Okay, all right. Now first of all, let us find the partial derivative of p with x, with respect to x. So let us take here that p equals 54 all over x raised to the power of 2. Now this can be rewritten as 54 x raised to the power of minus 2. That is if you have to make this denominator a sort of indices. Okay, all right. So as it's coming over to be a base, the power becomes a negative. Okay, so to this end now, you'll find the partial derivative of p with respect to x. Now according to the law of differentiation, here we have, since it's the exponent here, that will be minus 2, then times 54, then x raised to the power of minus 3, because here we take away 1. Okay, all right. So to this end here, so this becomes, that is negative 2 times 54, then all over x raised to the power of what? 3. Now taking it back to fraction. All right, now that we've gotten the partial derivative of p with respect to x, now let us find the small increase or the small change in x. Now take note that x decreased from 3, so let us just find that change. That will be 3.00, then minus 2.98. Since it decreases, here you have 0.0. Now for the fact that it decreases, it will have a negative sign. So plugging in all this value into the equation here, now the approximate change in p, there will be, here we have negative 2 into 54, then all over, now x here is 3 because that is the starting point. So here we have 3, and 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 27, then times negative 0.02. Okay, so here 27 here 1, 27 and 54, that should give us 2. So we end up having, now negative 2 times 2 give us what? Negative 4, then times negative 0.02. So this should give us now positive 0.08. So definitely there was an approximate increase in change of the value of what? P. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.